Hi, I'm Klint Schor. This piece is titled The Kiss. We're in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, on the corner of Robert S. Kerr and Robinson. I had made little models of this before. Well, it actually kind of goes back further. The whole term of kiss is about, I do a lot of welding, I'm a welder, and I was trying to actually weld two plates with a gap, to which I called a kiss, and then that kind of moved on to the concept of like maybe trying to have two heads that connected at that point of weld, of a kiss kind of moment. For lack of a better term, it just got more developed from there. So there was a request for proposal for Downtown OKC Partnerships Initiatives Program, and I submitted a little model of this saying, I think I can do it bigger. So the construction process lasted probably about 3 months during COVID, and it's all Core 10 steel, or what you might call weathering steel. So you get this nice patina that you see on the back of it, or on the front of it. There's no race, there's no gender, there's no religious ethnicity aspect tied to it. It's just the moment of two people coming together. And then also in the structure of it, at the moment of where the kiss happens, the two pieces balance themselves together, and that's what reinforcing the idea of a kiss and of love, of that the two need each other for support, and that happens at that moment of embrace. I really just hope that everyone comes down and enjoys it, and maybe sees a little bit of themselves in it. Share a kiss in front of it, add hashtag OKCKiss to it on social media, and just enjoy the piece on its own.